7 things to keep in mind while choosing a driving school. The driving school should serve as a value for money option by charging a nominal fee. The driving school must follow the KEYS2 drive approach to advance the learner. In case of cancellation of the driving lesson, the driving school must not charge any extra fee. The driving school must provide a flexible option to book driving lessons as per wish. The reviews of learners from the driving school should be satisfactory. There should be the option to book driving lessons and cancel anytime. The opportunity to have a one-on-one chat option with the instructor before selecting them. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.